And lastly, in Group 3, there is a standard list of elements, that is elements and sub-elements, which used to be called components. As you will see, they are listed under the group element codes. Here are the group element description and the group element unit of measure, and then the elements themselves, substructure, which contains these sub-elements, and ground floor, which contains these elements, structural frame, which contains these elements, and so on. You shouldn't need to change them. They are determined by the ASA/QS, and you really shouldn't need to change them at all. You might want to do something weird, like change a description slightly or similar, but it's unlikely that you'll need to change them. And then we have elemental rate benchmarks, which you can set up if you want to. You can set up different entities for your benchmarks, but these will have to be updated by you. The purpose would be to do a comparison between your current project, which might be a double-story residence, against the benchmark, which happens to be this set of data. And you can set up new ones, for example, a pediatric hospital, where you would need to actually put in the data from a previous project in order to compare it to the elemental rate per unit area against the next pediatric hospital. And here we have a game park residence also not set up. If you wanted to, you could copy, just to get the elements in, you could copy all of the data against the double-story residential, as I have done, and you could come here, highlight the top left-hand corner, and press paste so that your elements are in fact listed. And then you could come here and change the rate per unit area, and then you would have the basis to compare your current project, if a pediatric hospital, with the one that you used to create the benchmark.